Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Thank you so much.
Alhamdulillah.
Just met with Mr. President. I'd like to know why you're here with your prayers.
Alhamdulillah wa sallallahu wa sallam ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa man walahum bi ihsan ila yawmiddin. As you have seen, the group of ulama representing the Islamic groups were here, and we sat with Mr. President, and alhamdulillah, we are a medium through which the less privileged in the society can send their views, their concern to the president. And alhamdulillah, we have taken up what people are saying about the hardship, the insecurity, and what have you. And alhamdulillah, the president listened to us. We are those who became the ambassadors of this government, or the people of Nigeria, to Niger Republic when ECOWAS was about to be aparted. And we went there to Niger and talked to the people of Niger, and it yielded a fruitful result. And people are expecting that what is happening in Nigeria, that we should come and see President. And alhamdulillah, we're here, we met with the President, and alhamdulillah, President welcome us and appreciate what we are here for, what we brought. And he promised to tackle and take care. So we're appealing to both Nigerians, Muslims and Christians, that they should be patient. Inshallah, result will come out. That's all we are here for. Thank you.
Allah should go to Mala.
Let's check us.
Okay.
After we talk to
Okay.
Well, just like I said, we have conveyed the people's message to the president. He's been very receptive. He has told us the effort that his government has been making to ensure that the economy of this country is placed on a very sound footing. He admitted the fact that, or he rather acknowledged the fact that things could be a bit tough now, and he likened it to winning a child, who is being exclusively breastfed. It's tough. He identified with Nigerians and their suffering, and he assured that it is for good. In the interim, he has promised more intervention to, ameliorate the seeming suffering of the people. And in the days to come, he promised that Nigerians will see the result of all of these sacrifices. He, implored Nigerians not to allow fifth columnists to, mess with the peace of this country. And he cited the example of what is happening in Kenya right now, what has happened in Libya, what has happened in Sudan, and all the other places. And he urged Nigerians to resist the temptation of, being incited against government and, the destruction of this country.
So as religious leaders, what do you say to those who are planning to protest?
And now we have made it very clear. The reason we went to Niger is that we are a people who are promoting peace. We are anti-war. Even externally, internally, we are against insurrection, because this is not a protest. It is a protest that has the potential to lead to insurrection, the destruction of lives and properties and infrastructures. We are appealing to the people to shelve it. It is an ill